Hi, I'm Bahar Gidwani. I'm the CTO and one of the co-founders of ESGHub. And today I wanted to show an exciting new feature that we've added to our tool that runs on the Bloomberg platform. This tool is called ESGHub. I'm showing you right now how ESGHub looks when we've uploaded the S&P 100 index. Now you can upload any portfolio that you want to into ESGHub or any index that you have the indicators for. And you'll get this nice display of the Bloomberg ESG metrics, which are a measurement of the disclosure that a company has, compared to the ESGHub overall consensus rating. The tool allows you very quickly to divide up the world of an index into the good goods, the ones that are both disclosing heavily and that are also well considered by the sustainability community, the bad bads, the ones that aren't doing such a good job, or to drill down in any particular company, perhaps one that's disclosing a lot, like ExxonMobil or Philip Morris, but is not necessarily thought of as that positive by the sustainability community. Once you drill down, you can examine other aspects of the trends. For instance, this is the reporting trend in terms of disclosure. This is the sustainability rating trend, or look at individual items from either the ESGHub ratings or the Bloomberg ratings. What's new is that we now allow you to save all this data very simply into an Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to show you how nicely this works. I save as an XLS sheet. I save it as the S&P 100 index. I'm going to overwrite my previous example of that, and it's been successfully saved. So I've opened this up. What you can now see is a spreadsheet that has the tickers for the S&P 100 in Bloomberg format. It has the ESGHub scores over here, the overall score, the environmental, the social, and a governance score from ESGHub. Then here in these columns, there are formulas that allow you, using the Bloomberg plugin Excel, to pull in all of these different companies. Pull in the Bloomberg information on these companies and fill it in. I'm going to go through that process here, request the information. See, that's the information on Apple. And here they all are. These formulas are set up to automatically figure out the latest year that's available from Bloomberg. So these companies have 2018 data. These companies have 2019 data. And it also allows you to bring in the overall Bloomberg rating, the Bloomberg environmental, social, and governance rating. And with this, you now can do statistical analysis, whatever you're interested in, on the comparison between these two different scores. If you have access to ESGHub, you can also bring all these companies over into the ESGHub dashboard. You can load them in. You can run an update, and you'll get a chance to see all of the details as well from ESGHub, including the additional subcategory indicators that are available here from ESGHub. So that's how this new tool works. We think it's going to be very useful for people who have Bloomberg terminals. They'll be able to do the first level of ESG analysis very beautifully within the ESGHub tool, which is available on the Bloomberg platform. If you want to explore it, you do apps, APPS, and you look for ESGH. That's the title of the ESGHub application on the Bloomberg apps platform. With it, you can export data on any company that you're interested in. And then if you have access as well to ESGHub, you can do further analysis on it through the ESGHub tools. Thanks very much. You can contact me. I'm Bahar at ESGHub if you need more information on this.